When this all first started out, I think we all had 2 jobs. We all had a regular job that you were working, you know, 8, 9, 10 hours a day, and then you get off work and you go get some food and you go to the shop, and the first shop in Sugar Grove at the time, and you work till 10 o'clock or midnight every night. You just busting away on trying to get products out. We used to do like Y-bridge kit, you know, every other day, and now we can do 10 or 15 a day, you know, so it's come a long way since the beginning, and it's all paid off. We just moved in here right after the first week of May. So the new shop here, we're about 35,000 square foot, and it's more of a big rectangle versus a long skinny building like we were in. So it flows a lot better, and it just kind of goes right down the line to the sandblast area, to the powder coat area, and then right into the shipping area. Just a nice little horseshoe, so it increased the efficiency tremendously. And then not to mention, we've got 24-foot ceilings here, so we've got pallet racks stacked up to the ceiling. We have a huge amount of raw materials and inventory, so we have enough product on hand to keep up with the demand. So I'm Ryan Wehrli, I'm the oldest, and I handle the fabrication department here at WCFab. Next in line is Jason. He's actually the owner of WCFab, and it all started with him. He had an O2 back in the day, and he started building parts for it, and guys, you know, local guys saw the stuff and wanted it, wanted more of it, wanted him to build stuff for him, and the whole business started with him. And then Mitch is our third brother. He went to auto body school, learned how to do all the paint and body work, but then when we decided that we wanted to bring powder coating in-house, so we had a better control of the quality and the standards and the turnaround time, we decided to bring him in and put him in charge of that. Here at the new facility, we were able to bring in a CNC mill and a CNC lathe, and we put our youngest brother Chad, in charge of doing that. He went to school for about 2 years to be an operator and a programmer, and so Chad, the youngest brother, he's been taking care of that for us. We grew up working in our dad's cabinet shop on a daily basis when we were little, up until we were, you know, almost out of high school. So the attention to detail that he taught us at a young age has played a huge part, I believe, in the growth and the respect for the name of Wehrli Custom Fab, and that's something we picked up. All 4 of the brothers have picked up at a young age, and it's kind of been instilled in our heads. If you're going to do something, you got to do it well, and you got to go above and beyond what people expect and what your other, you know, competitors might be doing. I'm not going to sell a product that I wouldn't put on my own vehicle or on my buddy's truck. All the guys here feel the same way about that thing, so they're building things to the same quality that they expect to have on their own vehicle. You know, they put a lot of attention to detail in what they do, and they take a lot of pride in what they do, and the craftsmanship and the quality of the parts throughout the whole process, from the raw materials coming in all the way down to the finished part that's been welded and checked by 3 or 4 different people before it even goes to powder coat. And we still continue to strive to make sure that we put out the product that is the best that it can be, and that even comes down to our facility. I mean, we got to this new facility to make sure that we could still keep up with the quantity that the consumers are demanding, but still maintain the high level of quality that WCFab is known for, and to maintain our industry-leading standard of parts that look awesome, but they also fit and perform like they should.